Every day, 200 million cars and commercial vehicles operate on American roads without the ability to see behind them. And installation options can be extremely expensive. There's a simpler solution available today. Hi, my name is Andy Caruza, and I'm the CEO of FenSens. Today, I'm here to introduce you to a product that's going to make parking safe and simple. But most importantly, it's affordable and easy to install. Introducing the FenSens Smart Wireless Solar-Powered Backup Camera. The device itself installs in less than 5 minutes, with absolutely no wiring and only 4 security screws to prevent theft. It's so easy, your grandma can do it. The patented Quick Launch button will launch the camera wirelessly, or you can just ask Siri or Google to launch the app for you. Gives the driver an immediate view behind their car or RV right on their phone without having to touch the phone or manually open the app. We need your help to make new car technology affordable and available for any vehicle, and to make our roads safer. Pre-order your FenSens today. We invite you to take a ride with FenSens.